Hello everyone, welcome back to my home, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on the video. Let's start the cleaning motivation. This is the Dollar Tree washing machine cleaner that I just picked up. I am just going to deposit this in my washer, and then we're going to run it through a hot normal cycle as it's instructed on the back. This is what it looks like out of the package. No chemical smells of any kind. Once we run it through that cleaning cycle, we're going to come back and see how well that performed. And this aromatherapy, the lavender scent that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, really does smell so awesome. I wish I would have picked up more. Definitely going back and getting some more of these. This is a great value for your buck. Thanks for watching. As always, please hit that like button and subscribe. By the way, this is the washer after the clean. It looks awesome. So worth the $1.25.